August 15, 1977, 11:16 p.m. A radio telescope in Ohio scans the cosmos, listening for something humanity has never heard. Inside the observatory, a computer prints numbers onto perforated paper, endless columns of ones and twos representing the silence of space. Then, for 72 seconds, everything changes. A volunteer researcher named Jerry Amon tears off the printout hours later. His eyes stop on a sequence, 6EQUJ5. He grabs a red pen, circles the numbers, writes one word in the margin: wow. It was the strongest signal ever detected from deep space. It came from the direction of Sagittarius. And it never happened again. This is the story of the WOW signal and the mystery that haunts us still. The Big Ear telescope wasn't looking for aliens, not exactly. It was part of SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. A long-shot project, a scientific gamble that somewhere in the unfathomable expanse of space, someone else might be broadcasting. The telescope worked simply two massive reflectors, the size of football fields, focused radio waves onto receivers. Every night as Earth rotated, it scanned a thin strip of sky, listening, recording, mostly hearing nothing. Jerry Amon was an astronomer volunteering his time. He'd review the printouts days after they were recorded, checking for anomalies. Almost always, the numbers read 1 or 2. Background noise from space, from Earth, from everywhere, normal cosmic static. But on that August night, something broke through. The sequence 6EQUJ5 wasn't random. Each character represented intensity, a scale from 1 to Z. The signal started weak, surged to U, 30 times stronger than background noise, then faded exactly as a signal from deep space should. It lasted 72 seconds, and it was narrowband. A specific frequency, 1,420 megahertz, the frequency of hydrogen, the most abundant element in the universe. The frequency scientists believed any intelligent civilization would use to say, "We're here." The next night, they pointed Big Ear back at the same coordinates. They listened. Nothing. They tried again and again for weeks, months, years, silence. Other observatories joined the search. Better telescopes, more sensitive equipment. They scanned the same region of Sagittarius over and over. The signal should have been there. If it was a pulsar, a quasar, any natural repeating source, it would broadcast again. But space remained quiet. Decades passed. Technology advanced. In 1987, astronomer Robert Gray used the Meta telescope, more powerful than Big Ear, to search the coordinates nothing. In 1989, he tried again. Nothing. In 1995, 1996, 1999, nothing. This became the most frustrating aspect of the WOW signal. It had every characteristic of an intelligent transmission, the right frequency, the right intensity pattern, the right duration. It appeared once blazing through the cosmic darkness, then vanished as if it had never existed. By the 2000s, some scientists grew skeptical. One-time events can't be verified, can't be studied, can't be proven. Without repetition, how do we know it wasn't a glitch, a passing satellite, some unknown terrestrial interference? But Jerry Eman knew what he saw. The signal came from deep space, from a point 200 light-years away, and whatever caused it spoke for 72 seconds, then went silent forever. So what was it? The natural explanations came first. Perhaps a comet passed through the telescope's view, releasing hydrogen gas that mimicked an intelligent signal. But comets move. They'd appear on both of Big Ear's receivers as Earth rotated. The wow signal appeared on only one. Maybe it was a spinning neutron star, a pulsar, but pulsars repeat, constantly, predictably. They don't broadcast once and disappear. Perhaps a distant hydrogen cloud, briefly illuminated by an unseen cosmic event possible. But why that exact frequency? Why that precise intensity curve? Then came the uncomfortable theory. Human interference, a satellite military transmission, reflected signal from Earth bouncing off space debris. In 1977, space was less crowded. Tracking was imperfect. Could something terrestrial have caused it? Possible, but unlikely. The signal's characteristics didn't match known satellites. Its frequency was protected. International law prohibited transmissions at 1420 megahertz to preserve it for astronomical observation. In 2017, astronomer Antonio Paris proposed a new answer. Two comets, unknown in 1977, had passed through that exact region. They were only discovered in 2006. Could they explain the wow signal? Tests were conducted. The comets didn't produce signals matching wow's intensity. The hypothesis remains debated, unproven. Like everything else about that night, the truth is this: we don't know. For 72 seconds, we heard something extraordinary. Something that asks the most profound question. Are we alone? We're still listening. Better telescopes, wider searches. We've found thousands of planets, billions of stars. But we've never heard another wow. Maybe it was natural cosmic coincidence, or maybe, on a summer night in 1977, someone 200 light-years away sent a message. And we heard it. We'll keep searching, keep looking up, because the silence that followed might be the greatest mystery of all.